Daddy, my holidays are getting over. Last night you said you're gonna buy a video game.
Oh, is it?
Daddy, my holidays are getting over. Last night you said you're gonna buy video games for me. Did you buy video games for me?
I have one surprise for you.
Oh, where is it?
Let's go inside the room.
Alright, let's go. Daddy, where's my surprise?
Oh, wait a minute.
Wow, you have bought Xbox. That is cool.
Yeah, you liked it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do unboxing for this.
Okay.
Hi friends, since holiday season is going on, so my son keep on requesting to buy a video game. So I was confused, should I buy PlayStation or Microsoft Xbox? And I have seen there's some offer is going on. So original price for this is a $399, but I got the $50 additional discount for this one. This Xbox Series X. This comes in a white color and this is a digital model. Let's start unboxing it and see what comes inside this box. So you guys can see this. Okay, so it has a HDMI cable. It has a power cable. Wow, nice white game controller. So it's a setup information, manual for warranty, and two small batteries. That's it. Here, let's keep it aside. Looks like empty cardboard for the safety. This is our empty cardboard safety. Tan tan. Oh, super! This is. So before opening this one, just I want to read what comes with this. Okay, so this is a digital Xbox. So it comes with a 1 terabyte memory, and it supports 4K gaming, 120 FPS. It can support up to the HK SDR. So if you have a TV which has resolution for HK, so it can support this one. And it has an Xbox Velocity architecture. So again, depends on that one your TV. If your TV have XVA, then it's gonna help. As I said, 1 terabyte SSD. It has a VAR, like variable refresh rate. It doesn't come with a disc, so no worries. We have a provision to add extended hard disk on this one. And especially for the beginner, this is good because right now $50 offer is going on. So compared to the higher model with this one, which comes with a 2 terabyte, I think this is a better deal. You're gonna save $100. So in $100 if you spend good for your hard disk. So yeah, so inside the box I see one label. It talks about ultra high speed that HDMI supports. So this particular model is gonna support HDMI ultra high speed, so that's gonna enhance your gaming experience. Okay, let's unveil this. Wow, white color, pure white. So it has a 4 bottom shields, so you can place this Xbox like this also if you want. So one thing we notice, we do not have a hair slot for this since this is a digital edition, so we cannot use the this one. Okay, so it looks very nice. You see that all are white color. So other edition it comes with the black, and actually dual color is there, black and green combination, but this pure white is looking very beautiful. Here is your Xbox logo, which is gonna illuminate when we start it. Here one USB port button. Okay, behind this one we have an HDMI cable, and this is the power cable. We can connect this with LAN. This is the particular slot where you can extend the memory for the Xbox, since it comes in 1 terabyte. If you need external hard disk, so this slot you can use it. And we have a 2 USB port. That's it with this one. Yeah guys, so it's this particular Xbox X series model. These are the accessories. It comes along with this one. So this is with this particular video how we can unbox this one. I'm gonna come with a next video where I'm gonna explain how to set up Xbox with the TV and play the game. I hope you like this video. In case you have any questions, please put your questions in my comment box. Thanks for watching this